And so the women practice on the egg. What do the men do?
Okay, the men, the first thing, they have to practicing that we call sharpening the knife. Okay, very important.
Okay.
So the whole key is very simple. You get the oil, we call the baby oil.
Baby oil, okay.
And you put it in. And now you put the peanuts, you warm it. In the cold winter, you warm them up. You get a hot towel.
Okay.
And you make it warm.
Okay.
And you put it here. Make sure all the blood flow.
Okay.
Okay. Now you get the peanuts out.
Yeah.
You pull the skin. A lot of people, they never circumstances.
Yeah.
So they have the skin. So you pull the skin and you get the oil in the hand and you rub. Hand go like this. You rub. Especially on the gland penis. Rub them. 50 times, rest.
Okay.
Because you make them strong and not sensitive.
Okay. 50 times.
50 times one right side, 50 times left side, 50 times front, 50 times back, 50 times down.
That's like a lot. Okay. How often am I doing this?
You have to do every day until you can control.
Every day? Jesus,
yes.
Master Chia. It's a lot.
If
my mom caught me doing that.
If you want to be good with it, you have to practicing it.
Okay, all right.
But once you get it, now when you make love, that's it.
Okay, so I'm sharpening the knife. That's what you call
sharpening
that.
your knife.
Okay, all right.
If you don't sharpen the knife, that's the number one. Number two, you have to learn how to contracting the prostate gland.
Right.
Yeah, because the two things are separate. The front part here, when you urine, you want to test that you do it right or not. When you urinate, you stop the urinate.
Yeah.
And that is the front part here. That is the prostate gland.
Okay.
Okay. Now, the anus is different thing. Okay. So people cannot separate and they don't know, they squeeze on the anus, they just don't work because so when you contract the prostate gland, because male G-spot is in prostate gland.
Right.
So when you contract the prostate gland in the front and you feel energy activate here. So you contract and you feel here activate. Now you do it right. So you contract 1, 2, 3, 4, you see, 5, 6, 7. You contract 300 times.
300.
A day.
Do I do that when I'm urinating to practice? No.
When you know that muscle, you just practice it.
Oh, okay, all right.
50, you can split them out 50 times, rest, do something, and sometimes you sit on working, and you do 50 times very quick, 50 seconds.
Okay.
Not even 1 minute.
Okay.
So you do it, and now your head expansion, big, and you do that until you feel prostate. When men ejaculation, the pressure of the ejaculation is from the prostate gland contracting.
Okay. So I'm exercising that.
You exercise one.
Okay.
And for people who have prostate gland swollen up or problem, this one will solve the problem.
Okay, just that contraction.
But you need
exercise.
300 times.
300 times.
You don't need 300 times. You cannot do. And now you do it until you feel orgasm.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
We call orgasm without ejaculation.
Right.
Yeah. So you feel. So you see, when you do, when you get it, it's very quick. 2-3 times you get it. When you squeeze, it's the orgasm coming up.
Okay.
Yeah, like you call the ejaculation.
Okay.
But you are controlling them.
Okay.
Okay. So once you control them, the next thing you need to massage the testicle, because once you do.
Of course you do. Okay. All right. Okay. So.
Because the testicle, if people have to be think about that, because your hand have energy.
Okay.
So this chi, or we call energy, we call fire. So like the formula of Einstein said, E equal mc squared. If you want energy, you have material, mass, and you have c squared is fire. So now you have fire and you have the testicle is material. If you rub them enough, they change to energy. That is the key.
Okay.
Okay. Because why? Because when you do the prolonging no ejaculation, you don't have the ejaculation every time. So the Tao have a number, very simple number. Okay. Man, if you practice this one, you have one fixed number. So in the olden time, they call priceless goal statement. Why? Very simple. If you are 20 years old, at least 4 days. No ejaculation. You can have 10 times, 20 times sex in 4 days, but no ejaculation. But after 4 days, you want ejaculation, you're okay.
Okay.
Okay, but at 30 years old, 8 days.
Okay.
8 days. You can have many times sex, but you don't have the ejaculation every time.
Okay.
After 8 days, because if you don't do that, the sperm are too much out and the body cannot build. We build too.
You're draining your energy too much, is what
Yeah.
you're saying. Okay.
You
But
drain
most men don't know how to have an orgasm without ejaculation, Master Chia.
Because they never learn how to
that.
hold them.
Okay.
If they don't know how to massage the penis and contract the prostate gland,
Okay.
they cannot control.
Okay. So you have to do the sharpen the knife first.
Right.
You have to do the 300 a day.
Right.
And then what? Then try it?
You can do already, try already. You can have sex and you practice more and now say, hey, I can control it. You see?
Okay.
And when you get so high, you stop. You have to understand orgasm, the peak of orgasm, if you want more, then no more. It's ejaculation.
Okay.
Yeah. So now, the most enjoyable time when the understanding is arousal, orgasm, near the peak. Now you stop on the peak, and now you bring the orgasm upward. And that is the key.
Okay.
The whole key when you make love, you're creating so much orgasm. And when you have orgasm to one, now we said, here the peak here. So when you go up to the peak, you're going to go down. Mm-hmm. You finish, ejaculation is finished.
Okay.
So when you go up here, you go back about here.
Like almost to the top.
Almost to the top.
95%.
You play
90.
safe just in the beginning 80%.
80%. Don't get
But
too
if
close
you-
to the fire.
Fire. We call the point of no return.
Point of no return. Okay.
When you go beyond the point of no return,
It's over, ejaculation, and you got to wait
And you
8
wait
days.
for a few
Or in
days.
my case, 16 days.
16 days.
Damn
Yeah.
it. Okay. In your case, how many days?
1 month.
1 month. Okay. You better get this right.
But 1 month, you can have sex as many times as you want.
If you can do this process.
Yes.
Okay. So back to the details. So you get up to 80%, and then what happens at 80%? What do you do?
80% you stop first.
Stop.
Just
stop
and
completely.
you pull out
Okay.
little bit, not completely out. Now you just rest, control, and you just contract the same thing you contract prostate
Okay.
gland. Contract the prostate gland,
Bunch
and you
of
feel
times.
orgasm.
Or once.
You just contract, feel the orgasm.
Okay.
Now you bring this orgasm upward
Okay. Now it's traveling up your body
to the brain.
to the brain.
Now, because the rule written down, there is 4,800 years. This arousal orgasm energy can heal you. This is written down in Chinese text.
Okay.
4,800 years.
Then it must be true. Okay.
But,
all right.
but the West, no. But the West proved that now. That's the whole key.
Okay.
Continue watching this fascinating conversation for free by clicking on the link below to visit our website, learn from the best minds in the world, and connect with a community of passionate people building the best versions of themselves. Just click on the link below, and I'll see you on the inside.